case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a dramatic twist of matrimonial disputes spilling into property rights, a divorce case, Williams v. Williams, surfaced in the District of Columbia Court of Appeals in 1978. The case was centered around a couple from the District of Columbia who, despite a bitter separation, found themselves embroiled in a controversial dispute tied to a property in Maryland. The husband, after purchasing the property in his name, had placed it in joint ownership with his wife, only for her to leave him suddenly. He was to learn the hard way that love's gifts are not so easily undone when the trial court subsequently ruled that the wife still owned half of the property, despite her desertion. Disconcerted with this ruling, the husband appealed, arguing that the court had made an error in applying the law. Indeed, the crux of the matter hinged on the choice of law. The court had to grapple with determining which law was applicable to ascertain the property's surveillance. The complexities arose due to the grounds of the divorce, desertion, and the fact that the couple resided in the District of Columbia, though the property was in Maryland. In what was a landmark verdict, the court sided with the husband. The consensus was that the trial court had blundered by not invoking the correct Maryland law. As it happened, Maryland had a key interest in land title stability, prioritizing this over protecting the innocent spouse. Therefore, the case was remanded for additional proceedings to wrangle the property dispute under Maryland law. As a departure from the preliminary verdict, the appeals court reversed the earlier ruling which had compelled the wife to share her property interest with the husband. Effectively, the husband held onto his half of the property, with the court now set to ponder over the remaining half. Thus, the unresolved case headed back to the murky waters of the trial court, heralding another round of legal dueling.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class